That's it. How many times do you see that? Not real often. Combination of wind and heat, you know? Cool. That can make things very interesting.
Stop.
That escalated quickly. Ron Burgundy?
That's different.
We'll find it.
I'll have burn.
Oh, sorry. This is fucking unbelievable, man. Yeah, they 1,000 times over. That's my fault. No, don't give up on it. Maybe it's someplace. We'll figure it out with it. The storm was just like
firewall running on the other side of the dam. The first two, I'll go up there. Yeah, Michael's pretty good. Nothing yet. Keep an eye out. Okay, copy. I'm going to keep pushing that back there. We have some problems up here. Yeah, it's on about 3 places across the ditch. We'll have to go around the other side. And it's rotating. Does anybody know how to get across that ditch in a safe place?